Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. So, today we're going to talk about something we all love food. But this time, we're not just talking about food. We're going to learn how to talk about it naturally and confidently in English. Because in real life, we don't just say, this is good or I like it, but we describe the taste, the texture, the whole experience. And that's exactly what we're going to practice today. I've also included a few slightly advanced words and expression. You'll find their meanings and example sentences in the description box. But for now, just focus on the flow. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the practice. You can always come back later, check the meanings, and practice again. All right, let's get started. It smells amazing. I love the aroma of fresh spices. The presentation is very appealing. This looks too good to resist. I can't wait to try this. Let's dig in. This tastes really good. The flavors are perfectly balanced. It's not too spicy, not too bland. The texture is just right. It's soft and juicy. This is very well cooked. It's cooked to perfection. The seasoning is perfect. I love how flavorful this is. It has a rich taste. This is quite satisfying. I'm really enjoying this. This reminds me of home. It's comforting and filling. The portion size is just right. It's not too heavy. It's light yet filling. This is exactly what I needed. I could eat this every day. This is my favorite dish. I really like the way it's prepared. The taste is quite unique. It has a nice blend of flavors. The spices are not overpowering. Everything tastes fresh. This is nicely done. I appreciate the effort in this dish. This is better than I expected. This turned out really well. You did a great job. This is absolutely mouth-watering. I'm impressed with the taste. This dish is full of flavor. I like the texture of this. It's perfectly cooked. This is really satisfying. I'm full, but I still want more. I shouldn't eat more, but I want to. Let me take one more bite. This is too good to stop. I think I overate. I'm completely full now. This was a great meal. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, it was delicious. I appreciate the effort. It was worth it. I would love to have this again. Next time, I'll try something different. This tastes heavenly. It feels like comfort in every bite. This looks so appetizing. I couldn't resist trying it. This is absolutely scrumptious. Every bite is full of flavor. This is finger licking good. I can't stop eating it. This deserves a chef's kiss. Everything about it is perfect. This is truly delectable. The taste is rich and satisfying. This is so yummilicious. I'm loving every bite of it. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. And this meal is exactly what I needed. Nice. Now, don't just stop here. Go back and practice again. First time, just follow. Second time, focus on my pronunciation. And third time, speak with confidence and clarity. And once you are done, don't forget to check the description. You'll find the meanings and example sentences for the slightly difficult words used today. Understand them and then practice again. That's how you improve faster. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're enjoying this series and it's helping you speak better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment day 11 done. Happy practicing. I'll see you tomorrow.